Welcome back. Ever look at your cabinets and think, there's gotta be more space in here? Today, I'll show you how to unlock hidden storage in every cabinet. We're diving into clever, budget-friendly hacks for kitchens, bathrooms, and workshops. From pull-out drawers to secret compartments, I'll walk you through each step. Whether you're in a tiny apartment or a big family home, these ideas will help you stay organized. Grab your tools, let's get started. Before you start organizing, take the time to empty your cabinets completely. Remove every item, big or small, from each shelf and drawer. This step might seem tedious, but it's essential for getting a clear view of your available space and the true potential of your cabinets. As you clear everything out, you might even discover forgotten items or expired products that you can toss or donate, making your job easier down the line. With your cabinets empty, you can finally see what you're working with. Notice the size, the shape, and any unique features or challenges each cabinet presents. This is your blank canvas, ready for a fresh start. Next, grab a tape measure and carefully measure the depth, width, and height of every cabinet. Write these numbers down. You'll need them when shopping for organizers or planning your layout. Don't forget to measure any shelves or drawers inside as well. Pay close attention to awkward corners, deep spaces, or hard-to-reach areas. These tricky spots are often overlooked, but they can be transformed into valuable hidden storage with the right solutions. Take note of any gaps or unused vertical space too. Now think about what you actually need to store in each cabinet. Consider your daily routines and how often you'll need to access certain items. Do you want your most used items within easy reach, or can some things be stored up high or in the back? Are you organizing heavy pots and pans, delicate glassware, or everyday essentials like plates, mugs, and toiletries? Each type of item may require a different approach, from sturdy shelves to soft liners or adjustable dividers. Tailor your storage solutions to fit your specific needs and the unique quirks of your cabinets. Use bins, baskets, shelf risers, or custom organizers to make the most of every inch, especially in those tricky spots. A little thoughtful planning now will save you time and frustration later, and it means you'll enjoy a more organized, spacious, and functional home every single day. Let's kick things off with a clever storage solution: the false drawer front pullout. This project is especially handy for those shallow cabinets that never seem to fit anything useful. Instead of letting that space go to waste, you can transform it into a hidden compartment that's both practical and easy to access. Whether you're dealing with a kitchen, bathroom, or even a laundry room, this pullout is a game changer for maximizing every inch of your cabinetry. Start by measuring the width and height of your cabinet opening. It's important to be precise here. Subtract about an inch from your measurements to ensure the tray will slide smoothly in and out without getting stuck. Next, grab a piece of sturdy plywood or MDF and cut it to size. This will form the base of your pull-out tray, so make sure the edges are smooth and the corners are square for a professional finish. Now, it's time to install the drawer slides. Attach one side of the slides to the tray itself, making sure they're level and aligned. Then secure the matching slides to the inside of the cabinet door or frame. Double-check that everything lines up before tightening the screws. This step is key to a smooth, reliable pull-out action. Carefully slide the tray into place, testing the movement to make sure it glides effortlessly. Once installed, you'll have a hidden pull-out that's perfect for storing cleaning supplies, spices, dish towels, or even charging cables. The best part? Everything stays out of sight but is always within easy reach. This simple upgrade instantly transforms wasted space into valuable storage. You'll notice a big difference in how organized and accessible your cabinets feel, making daily routines smoother and more efficient. Use this pull-out tray anywhere you need quick, organized access, under the sink, in a bathroom vanity, or even in a craft room. The possibilities are endless, and the effort is minimal. With just a few tools and a bit of time, you can unlock hidden potential in your home and enjoy a tidier, more functional space every day. Spices taking over? Try a magnetic spice rack inside your cabinet door. Attach a thin metal sheet to the door with wood glue. Use magnetic spice tins or repurpose mint tins. Just add magnets to the bottoms. Once the glue dries, stick your spice containers to the metal sheet. Label lids with chalkboard paint for easy updates. This keeps spices visible, organized, and frees up shelf space. No more digging for the right jar. Struggling with high shelves? Install a pull-down rack. Measure your cabinet, Buy a pull-down organizer, and follow the instructions to attach it under the shelf. Now just pull down to access items. No more step stools. Great for anyone who wants easier access to upper cabinets. Remember not to overload the rack, stick to lighter items. It's a simple fix for hard-to-reach storage. Make your upper cabinets work for you. When you're planning your kitchen storage, it's easy to overlook the space right under your cabinets, the toe kick area. But this often forgotten spot can be transformed into a clever storage solution that maximizes every inch of your kitchen. Instead of letting that space collect dust, why not put it to work for you? The toe kick is the perfect place for shallow drawers that can hold all sorts of slim items. Imagine having a hidden drawer for baking sheets, cutting boards, or even pet bowls right at your feet but completely out of sight. To get started, measure the length and height of your toe kick area carefully. Then, build shallow drawer boxes to fit those dimensions using sturdy materials like plywood. Attach smooth gliding drawer slides to ensure your new drawers open and close effortlessly. Next, gently remove the existing toe kick panel with a putty knife or pry bar. Install your custom-built drawers in the space, making sure they're level and secure. Once the drawers are in place, reattach the toe kick panel to the front of the drawer. This way the drawer blends seamlessly with your cabinets, keeping the hidden storage completely invisible. Now you can store flat items like lids, trays, or even placemats out of sight, but always within easy reach. It's a great way to keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. This stealthy storage hack is something you'll wish you discovered sooner. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference, especially in smaller kitchens where every bit of space matters. Make every inch of your kitchen count, even the ones you never see. With toe kick drawers you get hidden storage and zero clutter, all while keeping your kitchen looking sleek and tidy. Those narrow gaps between cabinets? Turn them into vertical pullouts. Build slim drawer boxes, add vertical slides, and install them in the gap. Perfect for spices, oils, or baking sheets. Measure carefully for a snug fit and smooth sliding. Transform wasted space into a storage powerhouse. Every sliver of space can be useful. Deep drawers can easily become clutter traps, so add a clever hidden drawer inside for extra organization. Build a shallow box with slides and hinges to fit perfectly inside your deep drawer for a custom solution. The hidden drawer swings up, revealing a secret compartment for small items like utensils or tools. Double your storage and keep things organized. Secret storage, simple build, transform your drawers today. Hide your trash and recycling with a slide-out system under the sink. Build a sturdy platform, attach heavy-duty slides, and fit it inside your cabinet. Place your bins on the platform for easy pull-out access. No more unsightly bins or wasted floor space. It's a cleaner, more organized solution for waste. Keep your kitchen tidy and efficient. And that's it. From toe kick drawers to pull-out racks, you've transformed your cabinets. These hacks save space and make your home more functional. Which idea will you try first? Share your own hacks in the comments, subscribe and hit the bell for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching. Happy organizing.